Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to download all the Google Photos in one click. So in order to download all the photos in once, you have to go on Google Takeout. So type on the search bar Google Takeout. Now sign in with your account and here deselect all and select only photos. You can see here Google Photos. Now select this, scroll down to the bottom, click on next step. Now here click on send download link via email. After that click on export once, create export. You can see. Now go on Gmail, click on Google Takeout and click on download your files.